Here is our door. About to enter the hotel. When you come in, you have your restroom. Pull that open. Restroom. Love the black and white. Love that it's separate. Then you come here towards the vanity. Hey. Love this. The wood and the velvet seats. And then you have the mirror. Hey. And then you come on this side and you have the shower. Look at this huge shower. I love that they sectioned it off. Beautiful waterfall shower head. This is the adjustable shower head, and this is where you turn for hot or cold in between. And you have your toiletries there. On a towel so you can come out. Love the tile, the wood floors. This side you have the curtains to kind of section off your clothing and materials so it doesn't look like tacky. Looks really nice, especially when company comes over, which our family's coming over today. So mom's side, my side, nice sink with the light wood. It's almost giving like a Scandinavian vintage vibe. The arch in the mirror and your faucet, soap, again, toiletries. And then you have your towels and you throw your dirty towels there. I like that. So you have a section here and the light comes on, honey. And then you have your ironing board, extra pillow. Love that. And then twinning on the other side, except this one has a blanket up top. Umbrella. They gave us a yoga mat. Yes, to do yoga, so yes for the yoga mat, A1 for the yoga mat. Bags, and you also have hangers again. Safe. And then, yeah, and the light also comes on in there. Also, I didn't even show y'all. Turn that on. Amazing. It's amazing. Just a beautiful. Hi there. Then you have, after you come in through the doors, you can close the doors again, section it off. You don't have to be disturbed by anyone using the restroom or anything else. Doing my makeup in peace, solidarity. We have some artwork. Love that. Beautiful. It's like she's a sun, braided sun. And then you have a vintage car here. Love it. Love the artwork. Some lights. Cute in case you want to read or whatever. Small lights so you don't disturb anyone. Alarm clock and a beautiful is it like fluorescent light? Something like that. And then you have shelving, wooden floors continuing throughout the entire room. Mary type colored rug. My mom and I, we got a king because, you know, we always get them bargains, okay? It's enough room for both of us. And we have the lamp. Another side, what do they call this? A nightstand. Nightstand with the phone, remote for the TV, another light so we don't disturb each other while reading a book on our phones or whatever. Plant. The city view, y'all, like this is beautiful. So you have the Reunion Tower over there, and then you have the arch bridge. There's some construction. the skyline. You know, we had to get the city view, and then there's some condos beneath us. So we're on the 10th floor, y'all. So beautiful. You know, some coffee mugs, because you know I love my coffee, y'all. And then trash can. Recycle, yes! Recycle rubbish, love it. And we even showed y'all this lamp. So this is end of the hotel tour. Bye, y'all. See you later. Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, jingle.